That was windy. That was cold wind. Not used to that here. My nose is frozen. Didn't even bring hot tea. I brought cold electrolytes. That's so tasty, but not what I want right now. All right, let's keep heading up the mountain. I think I was out there for about an hour on the deck. It was so beautiful and cold, but I got to a point where I couldn't feel my butt cheeks and I couldn't feel my toes, and I was like, I'll just go get a cappuccino, that'll warm me up. And then I thought, no, I just want to go and snuggle into my car and read my book. And I'd show you a video of me reading my book, but I'm reading so many books. I've got a novel at home, I'm reading a book on my phone, and I'm listening to an audiobook on Spotify. So I think I'm going to read the book on my phone. Just got to go with the moods. So yeah, I'm going to get my blankie out, and I'm just gonna snuggle and chill and enjoy being up in the mountains still. I don't feel like going home yet. Unfortunately, I've been here for too long. I need to go to the toilet, and I don't want to walk in the rain, so I have to break out of my cocoon and drive. Gotta pee. Too much information. Ugh. It's a long drop too. I've grown braver in my adulthood, but what I'm worried about now is how cold and drafty that's gonna be. Oh, my blankie. Oh, come with me. Ah! All right. Let me go. I can do this. Roll up the pokies and drive down the road. That's his place. Oh no. I'm just a girl. Just shading the camera from the raindrops, but it's not working because now my fringe is getting wet. Woo! Oh, that's weird. Okay, that was officially the coldest toilet trip I've ever had in my life. That was the drafty. Now I'm standing where I had a grade 10 field excursion. 16 years ago. Oh, that's depressing. So I thought we'd go for a little walk. Obviously not very far. Actually, I'm probably just going to go to that little place at the shelter and turn around and come back because that's cold. I forgot how cold it was. Oh no. Okay, yep, bye. For any of you interested, socks and Crocs, so cute together. They're not good for running, especially running in the rain. I don't recommend it. Don't recommend the socks and Crocs situation. That is no traction in the middle of the shoe, but they're cute. That's literally all that matters. That sounds good. Show everyone our biltong stash. What did you get? The dry. And I got the plain voss. Every week we like to go.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Oma doesn't like the fatty, so I get it. We normally get the dry, but this one's come a bit fatty, hasn't it? Damn.
Don't tell her.
I'll take that off your hands. Every week we
beautiful.
We like to come here every week when we get a coffee and some biltong, and we just come and sit and look at the water. Listen to some music, but I can't listen to it at the same time as filming. It's a beautiful day. My Oma lives right over there, so we drove all the way around to come and sit and just be in the sun, because it's cold here today and it's nice and warm here. That is where any boats coming onto the Gold Coast come in to the Broadwater, and it was the first place that I saw the Gold Coast when I moved here with my family, because we sailed up here on a boat. We came straight from Iluka and it was a pretty hectic boat passage. I'll never forget the relief when I saw the rocks. I was like, oh my god, we have land. Oh, look at this little guy. Yeah, it's a pretty cool place to come park the cars. The cars can all park there and just sit here and look at the water, but the sun is so beautiful, I just wanted to come and sit down on the rocks. I am not wearing rock footwear though. The chunklers are cute, but they are not good for rock climbing. Have you still got coffee left?
Oh, a little bit. Have you got some music?
I'll turn it on in a minute.
Kmart's got some good sales on at the moment.
Yeah? What have you, do you need anything?
I still want a cardigan.
Cardigan? Okay. I'll have a look.
Oh, good.
Anything in particular, like a neutral tone, like something like that?
Yeah. No, not something like this.
A one tone.
A knitted one.
A knitted cardigan.
Yes.
A little bit, so like a bigger fit, longer.
No, I don't want too long.
Not too long, just below the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll have a look.
Please.
No worries.
And then what colour?
Okay, something like a beige or a grey or a black or a white. Okay, like a neutral tone.
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. Colour. It's a bit darker than your usual.
Yeah, they are.
But I like it. Going down to Burleigh to get my hair cut today. All cut, styled and keratin treatment. I'm very, very excited. I don't know why that's so fuzzy. My poor old camera. I'm looking for my phone to put music on. See you there.